You know, the saying that silence is golden. It is approximately, if I read my watch correctly, going on 4:30. So I woke up and it seemed so quiet. And then within 5 minutes I started hearing people hacking up and spitting, and I came outside to see the moon. This is a faint little clouds passing over the moonlight. So the moon is now in the process of setting, and it is in clear sky right now. It is not seen through the fog, so it is not red. This is the newscaster going through the town, advertising the daily news. Notice how the moon has shifted. I believe there's a crater here. Or that's a lake. They say there's water on the moon. Is this water or landmass? What is creating the shadows on the moon? What are these light spots here in the middle of the darkness? What's creating that light spot, that light spot? Light. See those lights there? See one, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. What's creating that? This is a bird call. It is early pre-dawn. It's about 5:30, and I heard this bird, and he's singing a song. Krishna Krishna Hare Hare. 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 I think that all the singers and songwriters got their rhythm and tunes from the birds. Wow. I wonder if I can find him. Is he in this tree? This is the mango tree. I think he's in here somewhere. He just darted away. Okay. Okay, we're gonna call this a wrap. There's a little bat flying around, and then we're gonna document the sunrise. Good morning, my lord. Thank you, my lord. Thank you for your light. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your radiant healing energy. This is Saturday morning, Gur Purnima, and I am filming Jajasan through the trees as he rises up over the horizon to greet us this morning. We only have one more minute. Om Bhurabhuva Svaha Tatsavitur Varenyam Bhargavasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. Om Bhurabhuva Svaha Tatsavitur Varenyam Bhargavasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. Om Bhurabhuva Svaha Tatsavitur Varenyam Bhargavasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. Om Bhurabhuva Svaha. Hare Krishna. It is Friday night, and of course I am filming the near full moon that has arisen. Tomorrow is the official full moon night, but tonight is almost full, looking pretty full to me and you. And of course, as it has arisen up over the horizon, it is like almost reddish hue, not dark red, but almost about as red as you're gonna see it. It's windy. Today I went to Dahlia's and did a little massage work for her on her calf, and then helped her cook. And as I was standing in her kitchen, I suddenly got a pinched nerve in my back, and I continued to cook and stand on while I had the pinched nerve and pain in my back. We ate a little bit of lunch, and then I walked home, and I spent from about, I would say I spent about 4.5 hours there. Anyways, I wanted to, it's Friday night. I don't think I'll be going into town. I don't want to stress my back. I did do some exercises and rest, but I still feel the tension in my back, so I'm now going to go back to my room. I wanted to document the full moon, and now I'm going to go back to my room and rest tonight. I am not going to go out and fight the crowds. Okay, Hare Krishna. See you in the morning.